Do you have an aptitude for working with machinery? Have you some fallmongery or tanning experience? Do you have basic computer skills? Are you a good communicator? If you have answered yes to these questions, then the occupation of leather processing machine operator might be the one for you. These operators use machines and equipment to convert raw hides and skins into finished leather. Leather is made from the hides and skins of sheep, goats, pigs, cows, buck, and ostriches. The leather can be used in the manufacture of clothing, footwear, upholstery, and leather goods. Skins and raw hides consist mainly of water, proteins, and collagen. During the leather manufacturing process, all the proteins in the hides are converted into a stable material which will not decay. This, then, is when the leather is created. There are a number of different leather processing techniques that can be used to achieve this. The type of skins also determines how they are processed, as well as what the leather will be used for. In some tanneries, the pre-tanning and tanning process is carried out by machines. The machine operators perform procedures that dehair, deflesh, and tan the hides. The hide then goes through a process called sammying, which removes any excess water. To do this, wringer machine operators place the hide between rollers of a wringer machine. As the rollers rotate, moisture is pressed out of the leather. Shaving machine operators then place the hide on a machine that feeds it through revolving blades that shave it to a uniform thickness. The operator checks the thickness of the hide using a micrometer gauge. It is then dyed or re-tanned. Machine operators place the hides in large drum machines. Various chemicals and dyes are added depending on the required effect. The machine operators monitor this process. When ready, the hides are removed from the drum and left to drain before being placed on a setting machine. The machine operators iron the leather to remove wrinkles. Other machine operators use equipment to eliminate or minimize any surface defects. Finishing leather takes many forms and depends on what the leather will be used for. Pigments, lacquers, resins, and more dyes are applied using curtain coaters, roller coater, and spray machines to give the leather its final look and feel. Once the leather has been inspected and measured, it is sorted according to quality, color, and other properties. The leather is bundled, labeled, and sold to companies that make leather products. Due to the nature of the tasks and the chemicals used in leather processing, operators wear protective gear such as goggles, overalls, and gloves. This is to prevent injuries and to protect the eyes and skin from chemicals. Entry into this occupation will depend on the employee's requirements. It may be possible to work as a trainee in a leather processing plant without any specific qualifications. Companies usually give on-the-job training that is specifically adapted to the requirements of the job. Health and safety training will be provided. With experience and further training, a machine operator may become graders, inspectors, or with further education, buyers or sales representatives. Those who prefer to remain in leather production may progress to supervisors or even plant managers.